Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 28 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. I'm a little late getting this out. We were without air for a few days, and July in Mississippi without air conditioning is not fun. And it was just too hot and sticky to try to work under the lights and everything to do this. So I'm a little late. I have some catching up to do. But we'll get through this. So our prompts for this week is something related to coffee. And I love this. I got it out of a book that I had thrifted. And I mean, what more can you say? Anything with a bit of pink. I'm going to use this paper that I have. Something in the shape of a hexagon, and I have to be honest that I took this idea from Lee of Lee's Art Studio. Be sure and check out her channel. She is so talented. But trying to find a hexagon was not as easy as you would think, and I wouldn't have even thought of using the honeycomb stencil. So that's what I'm using. Thank you, Lee. And a photo or a portion of a photo, and I've got these that one of these I may use. And ink, whatever that means to you, and I'm always ink my stuff, so that's no problem. And the bonus is a piece of a dictionary page, and I'm using this page here. Well, I hope you enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, I'm finished. I've got my something related to coffee. I've got my picture, anything with a bit of pink. I've got my background, and I'm not sure if the camera shows it, but her dress is slightly shaded pink. Something in the shape of a hexagon. Thank you, Lee, again, because this was perfect in camouflaging where the white paper, where my background paper wasn't long enough. A photo, a portion of a photo, and I'm using this. Ink, whatever that means to you. I've distressed ink, I stenciled with ink. And bonus is a piece of dictionary page, and I made a newspaper out of my dictionary page. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2022 CWP28 so that you can check out all the other cool collages. I've watched a good many of them, and they are really, really awesome. So until next time, bye y'all.